Hi, this is Mark Gordon with GoldenTicker.com, and it is Thursday, February 17th, 2011. I just wanted to run through the markets and a couple key stocks with you. This is the NASDAQ composite, and we've been in a nice channel here, moving to the upside since September. And today we're up 0.2% to a new high, new 52-week high, and staying above this little gray line here, which is the 10-week moving average, and above the 21-day moving average, this red line, and well above the 50-day moving average. So this is a classic bullish pattern. And looking at a weekly chart of the NASDAQ, you can see this this up move here that began in September and still going. This channel here has been in effect since late October, and you can see here that we're getting up here towards the top of this channel. And we're likely to get a little pullback here, maybe take us back down here into the 2750 range. Dow Industrial weekly chart, same story, riding a channel up. This one here is really strong, going up above the channel line here and hitting new high ground pretty much on a daily basis. These are the small caps here. This is the IWO. It's a Russell 2000 growth shares, and super strong as well. Riding this channel up since September and breaking into new high ground here after a brief correction here back in January. The emerging markets are having a different story. They're in a downtrend here and have been in this congestion pattern here since early October, and probably a lot of the world turmoil is bringing this down. So more money going into the U.S. Than into the emerging market. A lot of money flown into commodities as well. This is the GSG commodity index, which bottomed here in late May and has been running up ever since. Silver hit a new high today, and it had a big pullback here back in January and has recovered all of that and gone into new high ground here. And silver broke out of this long base here in it looks like around September of last year, and is running strongly, up about 50% in 6 months. And this is the chart of the United States long bond, and this peaked here in mid-August and has been in a serious downtrend ever since. And money has been flowing into good quality growth stocks, and especially tech stocks. And Apple hit a new high yesterday and backed off a little bit here today, and has been in an uptrend for quite some time. Looking at a weekly chart now, it went sideways here last year throughout the summer, and then broke out again and is moving up rapidly. Another hot tech stock has been Acme Packet. They build the internet networks that also supply us with the voice over internet protocol. And the stock has been in a super strong uptrend and is above the upper trend line. And on a weekly chart, you can see the strength. The stock has had about a 6-fold increase since the beginning of 2010 and is continuing higher. Looking at the weekly chart, you can see a little bit of caution here. As it is going into new high ground, you can see the volume is dropping out. So this stock might be getting ready to do a little pullback, which would probably take you down to this blue line here at about the $65 range. And here's a weekly chart of Netflix hitting new highs this week and backing off a little bit. Another big winner from early 2010, about the $60 range, all the way up here to in the $250 range. Unbelievable. Another hot tech stock has been Riverbed Technologies, going from about the $12 range up here to the $40 range in just over a year. So lots of money going into tech, lots of money going into stocks that have really strong earnings. And my theory is that people are leaving paper money, like the dollar and things like that, euros, and putting it into commodities, tangible assets, stocks with good earnings, and real estate that has an income. So we're seeing a shift here, and also the quantitative easing, the money printing that the Federal Reserve has been doing and injecting into our economy, is starting to really show up in stocks and in assets. Now, nobody knows how long this run's going to continue, but for now the trend is up, and the trend is your friend.